Alluri Sitaramraju, Shravani Stockman, నేను అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజుని ముక్కోట్యానుల ముద్దు బిడ్డని భారతీయులంత వరకు ఈ దేశం మాదేరా ఎన్నక వాళ్ళక కష్టం పడుతుంటే నీళ్ళు కట్టాలి చేస్తూ Today I am presenting a role of Savitribai Phule. I am known as the first female teacher of India. Education is the key to empower you to do something with our life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. You playing a role of Sarojini Naidu, a country's greatness lies in its undying ideas of love and sacrifice that inspire the mothers of the race. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. We are studying today I am presenting a role of Arunachapalli. During the Quit India movement, I ran a monthly newspaper called Influence. Our work is not for personal gains, but for the country's freedom and future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. To all, my name is Sanchita. I am studying in first standard. Today I am presenting role of Rani Lakshmibai. I am also known as Jhansi Ki Rani. हम लड़ेंगे ताकि हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ियां अपनी आजादी का पुष्टोपन करके हर हर महादेव. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Everyone, my name is Samsagar. I am studying in first standard. Today I am presenting the role of Prabhati. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my career. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit. Freedom is our birthright. Inkilab Zindabad. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My name is Sana. I study in first standard. Sola. Vansavava. Thank you. ಏನು ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಏನು ಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆ? ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೂಡ ಮೈ ಸೇರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರಾ, ಬಿಚ್ಚಿರಾ, ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿರಾ, ದಲಿತವರಿಗೆ ಅಂಬಲಿ ಕಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಾ? ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನು ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರ ಇಷ್ಟರೇ? ನಂತರ ಏಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ಎಲೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಮುಸುರಿನ ಕೋತಿಗಳ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಿ. ಕಿತ್ತೂರಿನ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸೀಳಿನೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. My name is Natasha. I am studying in second standard. Today is presenting a role of. My name is Pushpa. In second standard. ಏನದು ಶಬ್ದ? ಓಹೋ, ಹೈದರಾಲಿಯ ಸೋನಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಲು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಹೋ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬವ ಸಾಕು. ಈ ಒಳಗೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರ ತಲೆಗಡೆದು ದುರ್ಗಗೆ ಬಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಜೈ ದುರ್ಗ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
G.N. Yogesh as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Here I am studying in second standard. Today I am presenting role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He gave a lesson of equality. Thank you. Bhagat is studying in second standard. Bhagat today is presenting the role of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a great All countries do not make a reservation. The shores of sharpener on the wetting stone higher than can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my body. Thank you. I am studying in LKG. My roll is 1K over. Thank you. Everyone, my name is JMS. I am studying LKG. My roll is Sarojini Naidu. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tisana Gonda. I am studying LKG. My roll is Good morning, everyone. My name is Ronitare. I am studying LKG. My roll is Chacha Nehru. Thank you. I am studying LKG. My roll is Subhasandapur. Thank you. I am studying in UKG. My roll is Panike Obama. Thank you. Who fight the flags of Azarani? My name is UKG. One is Asana, Asiranga, saffron color, white color, and a green color. Ashoka Chakra is blue color. My name is Tikaturu. I am studying in UKG. The national emblem of our country is made up to a picture of currency of I am talking about hockey. Hockey is one of the most popular sports in the world. It is LKG. Lotus is the national flower of India. Lotus is a beautiful flower. It is found on water. I like lotus flower. Shilka. I am studying UKG. Mango is national fruit of India. I am studying in UKG. It